Good morning, my all dear students. I, Rupal Suthar, warmly welcome all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Today, we are discussing about your favorite topic, the solar system. Okay, so let's discuss about the solar system. A universe is a vast space that consists of stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Scientists believe that the universe was formed a billions of years ago when a big explosion occurred in space. This explosion created a huge fireball which spread out in the space. As the fireball cooled slowly, tiny particles formed. Over this time, these particles came close together and formed the heavenly bodies. This idea about the formation of the universe is known as the Big Bang Theory. Today, the universe has billions of galaxies. A galaxy is a large group of cluster of stars, gas, dust, and other heavenly bodies. Our solar system is the family of the sun. It is the part of a galaxy called the Milky Way, or simply it called the Akash Ganga. The solar system consists of sun, 8 planets, asteroids, comets, meteors, and last but not the least, natural satellites. We are discussing all the system parts of the solar system. So first we are discuss about the sun. The sun is also a star. It is a huge ball of burning gases. It lies at the center of the solar system. It is the only source of heat and light in the solar system. There would be no life on the earth without the light and the received from the sun. Now we discuss about the 8 planets. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Here is the basic my formula to remember these 8 planets are my very energetic mother just serve us nuts. The first 4 planets, that's the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, lie in the inner solar system. They are small and are made up of rocks and metals. They are known as the terrestrial planets. They do not have rings around them. Here look at this picture. The last 4 planets, that is the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, lie in the outer solar system. They are very big in size and are made up of gases. They are known as the gas giants. They have rings around them. Look at on the picture. The Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have rings, but the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars doesn't. Now, the planets have no lights of their own. They get heat and light from the sun. Now we are discussing about these natural satellites. We know that the earth have only one satellite, that is called the moon. Yeah. A natural satellite is a heavenly body that moves around a planet. Natural satellites do not have their own light. They get heat and light from the sun. They are vary in size and numbers. Like that, our earth has only one natural satellite known as the moon, while Mars has 2 natural satellites known as the Deimos and Phobos. Now, asteroids. Asteroids are believed to be the broken rocks of an exploded planet that revolves around the sun. Asteroid refers to the minor planets of the inner solar system, including those co-orbital with the Jupiter. Comets. Comets are snowball of gas, rock and dust that revolve around the sun. These materials came from the time when the solar system was formed. They develop a long tail when they come near the sun. Meteors. Meteors are called shooting stars. However, they are not stars. They are pieces of rocks that enter Earth's atmosphere from space at a great speed. That's why they are look like a shooting stars. Thank you everyone. I hope you all are now able to represent the basic particles of our solar system. Thank you.